iced coffee. Welcome to our 2024 fall decor video. Oh, I'm so excited. We are going to be right now, we're making a at-home pumpkin cream, foam cream coffee. I don't know how you say it, but it's really good. There's no added sugar unless there's sugar in any of these spices, but other than that, it's sugar-free, but it's so freaking good. After this, we're gonna go down and completely strip my home of all of these seasonal summer, spring decor, and so there's a clean slate for fall decor. Then we're gonna go through my fall decor. We're gonna decorate for fall. This glass is dirty. All right, never mind, this glass is dirty. Bring the dishwasher. I guess this one works. I never really used to be a pumpkin person, but for some reason, I have recently gotten really into making my own pumpkin iced coffee. So the ingredients you're gonna need is some pumpkin puree, just literally plain pumpkin puree, your milk creamer of choice. This is just half and half. You can do it with oat milk, almond milk, whatever. Some cinnamon, and then I have some pumpkin pie spicier, and that is it. Well, I guess you will need coffee as well. These are just the Starbucks pumpkin spice flavored coffee pods. I love how they're orange. I got them on Amazon. How freaking cute is this? I love how it's orange. And then while that brews, we're gonna make our pumpkin foam. Smells so freaking good. Now we just gotta wait for this to finish brewing. We're very close though. Belle, do you want to lick the pumpkin spoon? I knew you would want to. This is my sister's dog, Belle. Callie's upstairs in bed. We'll bring her some pumpkin in a little bit, don't worry. But this is Belle. She's staying with us while my sister Victoria and her boyfriend are in Florida. Hi, princess. The moment of truth. Well, actually, that'll be tasting it. But first, we have to... I love how the Nespresso machine like already adds such a beautiful foam on there, but we're gonna top this off. All right, let's take a sip. Ow, that hurt bending down. That is so good. Now, if you do make this, I want to preface it by saying, like, I've definitely got a sweet tooth, but with coffee, I've never really been somebody who likes super sweet coffee. So obviously you could add sugar. I didn't add any sugar, or you could add some maple syrup. I've actually done that before, and that's really good. But this has like, it's still the not sweet coffee, but the hint of pumpkin and pumpkin spice and cinnamon flavor. Now I've got the energy, well, not yet because I still gotta drink it, but I'm gonna drink it while we start on decorating. Side note, to clean this, I typically just fill a little cup with some soap and then mix it around, and then it literally cleans it right off, and then you can rinse it and you're good. There's not really any decor in here other than these. These can come down. Other than that, I don't really have any decor in here anyway, so we're gonna need to add decor. But let's go undecorate the living room. We do actually have just a hint of tidying up to do before we can undecorate. This is Belle's blanket. What are you doing, Belle? She's standing behind the camera. If anybody else's husband or fiance or boyfriend or wife or girlfriend or whatever leave their dirty socks all over the floor, because mine does. But I picked them up for him because I love him. Also, this is full clean laundry. So this has got to go upstairs because we're going to have to fold this. I do have this pumpkin spice candle that I got from TJ Maxx burning. That's like the only bit of, oh gosh, that was loud, bit of fall that we have so far. Oh my gosh, I love the horses. transmuting this. Something about this just does not feel right. I know Callie's cozy in bed, but we're gonna go get her because I don't like her not being down here with us. Come on, Belle, let's go get Callie. Let's go get your cousin. Yay, we're gonna go get your cousin. Callie! What are you doing up here? You want to come downstairs? We're gonna go decorate for fall time. It's time to decorate for fall. I got the fall decor out. Oh, hi, Belle. Yes, hi, Belle. You can keep resting. I just want you to rest downstairs. Mwah. Because I want you to be a part of the decorating for the fall. Really quick, let's put some more lip gloss on. This is the Too Faced lip injection. It burns, I'm not gonna lie, but I like the like bright color that it gives your lips while also being shiny. Okay, we got all the fall decor laid out. Oh, I'm so excited. I tried to kind of separate it. Like, those are some pillow covers, some dish towels. This is the wreath and a garland. These are all like my fall florals and dried picks and all that kind of thing. There's the best baby ever. There's the other best baby ever. I'm gonna be so sad when my sister gets Belle. I'm gonna miss you so much, girl. I love having you here. I told Victoria she's welcome anytime. All my pumpkins over here. Oh, I love looking at pumpkins. And then just some like more random decor. Okay, here's my dilemma. This is a pretty big dilemma and I want your thoughts. All right, sorry, we had a little bit of a pause because Callie had to go potty, so I let her out. Hi, Belle. Okay, so my dilemma. Do you see how many of these candles I have? 6 candles in total that smell so good. They're amazing. But none of them are soy wax. They're all that like paraben. Okay, bye Cal, bye Belle. I don't know the name of it, but like they're whatever the wax is, it's not as healthy to breathe in. I think it was Christmas time last year, maybe the winter, I like made the switch to only natural wax candles. I just feel better about breathing it in. But I have all these half burned candles from last year for fall. And I don't know, like, do I just burn them and use them up? Or do I get rid of them because I don't want to be breathing it in? And like, typically if I make a change for something like that, I would use up the rest of whatever I have because I don't want to waste it. But the thing is like, as I'm using these, I'm breathing in those toxins. So it's like, is it worth it? I'm curious your views on candles and like what types of candles you'll buy, and would you finish these off, or would you just get rid of them, or would you donate them, but then, or like give them away? But then to me that feels weird because I'm like, I won't breathe this in because of health, but like, here, you take it. But then at the same time, everybody has their own thoughts on this and like different reasoning and whatever. So like maybe somebody doesn't care. I don't know. And maybe I'm not an expert, so I don't know everything. Maybe it's fine, but from what I've heard, it's just not as healthy. Also with Callie, I don't like her breathing in the candles that are like not the best wax. I don't know, that's my dilemma. Like this one that I got, this is coconut beeswax blend. Hi, sweetheart, thank you. And I don't know, it feels better. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these candles. I'm not just gonna throw them out, but I don't, what would you do? Let me know your thoughts. But I think now I laid everything out and I kind of want to just, I guess we'll just go for it and start decorating. Definitely gonna want to redo this TV stand decor. I'm not the happiest with how it turned out, but like I've said before, decorating is such a trial and error process. I probably redecorate a space like 3 or 4 times, if not more, before I get it exactly how I like it. So we're gonna be redoing that. I also want to get a smaller garland or a thinner garland just because I want to use this one in the bedroom. And since that's a little taller, it like the remote doesn't always work. It's annoying. So we're gonna do something new there. But for now, taking care of the hallway, I added these dried florals that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I love this bowl. Definitely need some different filler though, where that this isn't gonna work. All right, clearly this isn't gonna work. I kind of want to fill it. I think I want to fill it with pine cones, but I know I have them somewhere. I just don't know where. I decided to play around with the placement of like my coffee maker and the cutting boards and stuff in the kitchen. So you can see here we ended up moving the coffee maker to the other side. And then I also wanted to move the knife rack to the corner. Not gonna lie, I don't love how this looks. So again, I'm sorry. I feel like this whole video is we're gonna rearrange things, but I do like this. I love the pumpkin cutting board that I have on the left there, but I think that in an upcoming video, we may rearrange things a little bit, but this looks really great for now. And then I headed over to the living room and I'm kind of piling up all the decor that I haven't used yet back into the bin, so it's easy to bring it upstairs so we can decorate the bedroom. Hi there, it's a couple days later. Callie says hi. Say hi, baby. I made 3 minor changes that I know you're just like, if I don't show them to you, it's gonna be mind-blowing when I show you the final clips. I'm just kidding. But I did want to point out the couple changes. The little 3-way change that I made. Let me see if you can see all of them in the same place. So those florals used to be there, those florals used to be there, and those florals used to be there. And we swapped them. We rotated them. Good. Oh, the lighting is really bad in here, but I think that looks better. So here is the final living room for now. The couple things that I do want to change. I want to get some more fall pillows or maybe some darker pillows. I just feel like this couch is way too much beige with the pillows and the couch itself. And then over here, I want to get some sort of like fall picks to go in that jar. I want to get a garland for the TV stand. And then I don't like this. I don't know if the garland will help, but I think I just don't like it. I mean, the pumpkin looks nice there, but that photo frame I don't like. I don't know if it's that this gray blanket doesn't look good to me, but definitely want a new piece for there and kind of switch this up a little bit. Other than that, I'm really happy with how that looks. This little corner, I'm loving. It's time to decorate the bedroom. I have such a fall themed outfit on. Let me show you. Lighting in here is really bad, so I'm gonna try and like put it on myself. I don't know, I feel like this is awful, I don't know. But here's my outfit. I got this sweater from Amazon. I'm obsessed, it's so soft. And then my jeans are Express. And these are little like platform slippers that are the brand, what are they? Muck Looks? I don't know, but they're super comfy and I like the little platform. And here's Callie. Say hi, baby. Oh, you perfect. You perfect. Oh, big stretch. Unfortunately, Belle is back with her mom, my sister. So it's just me and Cal and Tim, obviously, but he's not home from work yet. Say hi. Oh, big stretch. Good job. Good job, girl. Also, I've been watching Mom Talk or The Secret Life of Mormon Moms. Insane. Absolutely insane. You are the cutest thing in the whole wide world. I'm on the last episode, but I still have like 15 minutes left in it. But anyways, now we're going to take down all of the decor, which is literally just basically on the TV stand. Let me show you. I really have such minimal decor in here when I think about it. Like both nightstands are pretty much plain. Also, I just took a table from downstairs that is definitely not going to be stay there very long, but I wanted something and I haven't been able to find a pair of nightstands. What happened to your earsy? That I like. Then this is like the main area, I guess, that we're gonna decorate. Really, it's so simple in here, but I don't know. I want to swap that out, add a garland, change the bowl out. And then my makeup table, I really don't know how to decorate that. This is the thing, because like there's not that much room on it, so there's really no room to put decor, which is why I feel like I end up just not really decorating the bedroom that much, because there's really not much room to decorate. Like there aren't many places for decor. Love when she does that with her paws. I wish that there was like more things that I could decorate, more spaces that I could decorate. They're just, I don't know. Let's start taking these 3 things down. I'm not loving this. I feel like I need something similar to the greenery that was here, but like fall florally instead, because this is just, I don't like, this is, no, but this is fine for now. I got these pillowcases from Amazon that I did wash, that's why they're inside out. We've literally had those pillowcases for years and I've never changed them for any season. So these are fuzzy, they're an burnt orange, and I thought it would make it super cozy in here. for a second because I feel like it's loud. These pillow covers are so freaking soft. I will say I feel like I need a different blanket or something. Like I just feel like the orange with the super white sheets and then the cream throw blanket don't really match that well. I don't know, maybe we'll look for a different fall blanket that's more of like a moodier color. I don't necessarily think that that looks good as is, to be honest, but it is unbelievably soft. I don't know why I struggle so much decorating a nightstand. I definitely need to look up some inspiration because like this just looks awful. Like this looks so bad, but I don't know what to do with it. Maybe it needs to be bigger, or maybe nightstands just aren't supposed to have decor. I don't know. Like that's cute, but then I don't have matching for the other one. Maybe I need like a little tray to go there. All right, I think the final consensus is that we are going to be making some changes. I am happy with it, but I'm not super happy with it, and I want to be super happy with it. There's a lot of things in this room that if I knew we were going to be in this house permanently or for like an extended period of time, then I would make a lot of changes. Like I would do new furniture, I would do a dresser, I would do new bed set, I would do new nightstands, new makeup, like everything would be redone. When we do move eventually, I'm going to be doing like all new bedroom stuff for sure. I like the carpet. Even the carpet, I might go with a darker pattern to make it more cozy and moody. I don't know, that's kind of like the vibe that I want in the bedroom. But for now, we're working with what we got and I'm not complaining at all because I'm very happy with everything. But I definitely do think there are ways that I can make our current setup a lot cuter. Like I think a different plant there, definitely a new blanket for the bed, because while I do love the orange pillowcases, it does not match. Like it definitely does not look, it just clashes. That little nightstand setup is growing on me, I'm not gonna lie. Can you stay? Tilted. I am gonna end this video here. If you watched until this part, I'm curious, have you done your fall decorating yet? What kind of fall decor do you like? I feel like I also asked a few questions within this video, or like your opinion on things, so I love your answers on, I'm forgetting what questions I asked, but I know the candle thing was one, and then I'm just kind of curious on your thoughts on my decor in general. I'm always open to constructive feedback. If you have anything you're like, Kat, that looks awful, maybe try this instead, I'm open to it. Just be kind, but I want to hear your real true thoughts. And the wedding recap video will be coming. Instead of just doing like a life update video, I think I want to make it like a full wedding recap and like different tips and tricks for any future brides or current brides that are planning their wedding. It might end up being like 2 or 3 videos from now, just because I want time to like get my wedding footage ready, because I want to insert a lot of wedding footage in there and things like that, and just a lot more fall themed videos in general. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you. Bye.